Hi my Dazzlers, welcome back. So I am back after such a long time. A lot of things have been going on in my life. Also, I'm shooting in a different setup today. I am using the natural light. There's a spectacular view in front of me and I'm enjoying filming in this setup because I'm going to try some new products today and I wanted to check those out, how they perform and how they look in natural light. I am super excited for this video because today I am going to review Zudio new stick products that they have launched recently. I shot a Zudio reel like a couple of months back and you guys loved it. So yeah, here I am. So I've got a lot of face things with me today. So there's this hydrate stick, a glow stick, a blur stick, and then there's a blush stick, a foundation stick, and a bronzer, and I think a highlighter. And this really cute thing caught my eyes. It's their lip kit lip oil and I thought that I have to review this. Last time I tried Zudio's makeup, I wasn't really impressed with their makeup. I don't know, it's just my opinion. I think that such inexpensive products, they don't really work. I'm moisturizing my face because I don't want to try out any makeup product with a dry face because then anyway this will not work. So now my face is well prepped. So I've got three face things: the hydrate stick, the blur stick, and the glow stick. So I think I should go with the hydrate stick first. So I haven't yet opened any packaging. So this is their Glow Up Hydrating Stick with Hyaluronic Acid and this is priced at 199 rupees only. I'll just show you how it looks like. So there's a nice cap. So they have packaged it really well. So you just open the cap. So this is a very pretty blue color and it's like really smooth and buttery. So yeah, this looks a lot like the sugar hydrating stick. I want to put it all over my face because I want the whole face to be properly hydrated before I try out any other product. It feels like a little, you know, when you apply those silicone products, it does feel like that, but it's also a little bit more hydrating. It feels like it does have 30% silicone-y feel and the rest is like just a moisturizer, so it does feel good on my face. Zudio, I am surprised with this. I actually like this product. This product is a thumbs up for me. And come on, for 199 rupees, let's see how much product you get. Oh, it's just this much product, but still, this is good enough. So glad I ended up liking the first product. Now the second product that I'm gonna try is this Glow Up Blur Stick. It's got niacinamide in it. Zudio, what are you even doing with this 199 product with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid? I am actually surprised. By the way guys, this is not a sponsored video. I personally went to Zudio and bought these products with my own money. Just wanted to check all these products out. So this is how it looks like. Blur stick with niacinamide. It's a white stick and this is the quantity that you get for 199 rupees. Now, since it's a blur stick, I am going to just blur. Oh my god, this feels like super smooth. It feels almost like a mix of oil and moisturizer. It's not sticky, oily, it's good oily. Like it's getting absorbed in the skin really well. By the way guys, I got this cute mirror from Miniso. It looks super cute. I'm gonna apply this on my skin where the pores are visible. I feel like this product is a little gimmicky because it's too oily to be a blur stick. I honestly don't think that it's blurring anything. I feel like this should have been the hydrating stick because it's really hydrating my face, but it's not doing anything to blur out anything. As a blur stick is a thumbs down for me. Next I'm gonna try this glow stick. This glow stick is also for 199 rupees. This is the Glow Up Glow Stick with vitamin C and this one's got a light yellow color to it and I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. These products may be good for winter, but absolutely not good for summer because this product does feel a little bit sticky and tacky on the face. But is my face glowing? Definitely yes. After applying this, my face is definitely glowing, but I feel like if a product is oily or it feels a little bit slimy on the face is bound to glow, isn't it? You know how it feels like right now? It feels like I just applied a lip balm all over my face. That is the exact feeling I'm getting right now. You can definitely buy it and use it as a lip balm for winters. It does moisturize my lips really well. I have dry skin and I feel like it's a little tacky on my skin. So if you have like really dry skin, this might work. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. Next, I'm super excited to try out this foundation. This is a foundation stick and this is also priced at 199 rupees. And the shade I'm using today is Honey. This is what the stick looks like and this is how much product you get for 199 rupees. I'm super excited to apply this because I somehow feel like this is gonna work, because when you touch a product, you can actually tell if this product is gonna work or not. I don't know, I might be wrong, but then I feel like I actually want this product to work. Let's start. Shade is actually perfect for me. So I'm just going to apply it all over my face. So what I'm thinking is, this side of my face, I'm just gonna apply it with my hands, and this side of my face, I'm gonna apply it using a brush. Let's start. Okay, it's blending like a dream. Like I said, I feel like this product is gonna work, and it is working. And I'm also going to test it as a concealer and check if this also works as a concealer. But you can actually see that this is blending like a dream, guys. I'm so happy with this. So moisturizing, it feels light, it just feels like you're putting on a moisturizer. I feel like this is less of foundation and more like a BB cream. Through its application, I feel like this has got to be one of my favorites. You can totally judge me right now. If it was a high-end product, I would have gone gaga by now. I would have been like, you know guys, go ahead and buy this, give it a try, this is the best foundation ever. But just because it's 199, I'm like taking my time to, you know, review it. I don't know, does this happen with you too? Now let me try the other side of the face with the brush. And the best thing about this is it just looks like, it looks very natural. Absolutely looks like I have nothing on my face. It looks like my skin but better, which is the only thing that I look for when I buy a foundation. I don't see it looks any different if you apply it with a brush or with your hands or with your fingers. Both sides look equally good to me. Now you be the judge and tell me which side you like more. This side, which I applied with my fingers, and this side I applied with a brush. But yeah, this will get 2 thumbs up from me. Nice job done, Zudio. Oh wait, as promised, I would also like to check if this works as a concealer. Like ये product सोच रहा होगा 199 में और कितना कुछ चाहिए तुमको. I feel like this is too creamy for a concealer. Let me do one thing. This side I'll apply this as the concealer, and on the other side I'm gonna apply my regular concealer and see which one looks better. Now on this side I am going to apply my regular concealer. I mean, obviously guys, there's no comparison between the two. After all, this is a concealer and it's a pretty expensive concealer. But guys, coverage wise, can you make out the difference? Be honest. This one is the Zudio foundation which I used as a concealer, and this one is my normal concealer. Honestly, yahan se, like if I look at the camera, I can't point out any difference between the two because I feel like this is good job done, Zudio. This is not what I was expecting. I was also going to check if this is buildable or not, so let me check that. This is super buildable, and with the brush also definitely buildable, and this is all the time it takes to blend. Wow guys, my skin looks so good and crazy glowy. Enough of this foundation. Now let's move on to the next product. Oh, by the way, these foundation sticks, they have vitamin C and vitamin E. I took another foundation stick as a bronzer. This is in the shade Toffee, and this is also priced at 199 rupees, and this is how it looks like. And these are all really creamy products. I love the texture, beautiful. It just blends like a dream in the skin. I'm just going to apply it. Oh, look at the pigmentation. Wow. And my jawline. And I'll also contour a little bit on my nose because why not? this is actually the problem of natural light. It sometimes is brighter, sometimes it just gets a little dim. You just have to bear with me, okay? So I'm gonna blend it out with my fingers. And of course, this too blends like a dream. Look, how beautiful is this looking? My God, Zudio, what are you doing? It looks beautiful, guys. Your skin looks like you're not wearing any makeup. There's no makeup on. It just looks so naturally sun-kissed and it looks glowy. It just looks beautiful. I haven't applied a makeup with such good texture in a very long time, guys. Please get this. You will not regret it. It's just for 199 rupees. It's not much. You are going to love this. The feeling is just out of the world. Like a product worth 199 rupees can work like this. I feel like this is Christmas magic. Okay, next product I'm gonna apply is this blush, and it's the Zudio Cheeky Flush Cheek and Lip Tint. This is in the shade Apricot Flush. This is how the product looks like. Can you hear the bird chirping? Oh my God, how cute! And I am going to blend it with my fingers. I'm just going to do the same thing, blend this side with my fingers. Again, blush is amazing, guys. It looks beautiful. It's not too much. It just gives a very natural, wintry flush to your skin. Blend it with the brush. Oh my God. I am in love. Like, this is how you blush when you're in love. I am in love with these products. Never even in my dreams did I think that these products will work the way they are working right now. Like, this is one shade that's gonna look great during summers, and it's gonna look great during winters as well. As a blush, it looks dreamy. That's the word that I'm going for. Last product for today is the Zudio Cheeky Shine Highlighter, and this is in the shade Gold. Look how beautiful this shade is, but I feel like this shade is also going to be a little bit darker for my skin tone. I'll just show you how beautiful the highlighter is. I'm going to take some on my fingers and apply it. No, actually not a fan of the highlighter. Or maybe I just chose the wrong shade. This one's in gold and it's a little bit darker for my skin tone, as I said earlier. I mean, the highlighter should have been more balmy and more creamy. That's what I feel like, but this is not that balmy or creamy. It does feel a little on the drier side. Why do I feel like this highlighter is not doing anything to my face? So guys, this highlighter is a no for me. You can definitely use it as an eyeshadow, like a cream eyeshadow. That's gonna work. It's got more of an eyeshadow stick texture, but it does not have the texture of a highlighter. So for me, this highlighter is a thumbs down. So guys, that was it. This is how my face looks like after the application of all these products. Oh my God, guys, kill me. I forgot to review this. So I'm back. This is, this lip kit lip oil, this whole kit. These 3 products are for 199 rupees only. They have 3 lip oils, 3 colors. One is purple, orange, and pink. They look so cute. I'm going to apply it. So the pink is pink. The orange is tangerine and the purple is lilac. So actually it's a lilac color, not a purple. I'm gonna apply the pink first. Oh, wow, I thought that this is gonna be a stick sort of applicator, but it's actually like a roll-on. Smells exactly like this lip oil. Smells like bubblegum. It really feels good on my lips. This fragrance might be a little bit too much for people who can't take strong scents, but yeah, it does exactly smell like bubblegum. Exactly. There's no color payoff. Next one is this orange. Oh my God, I love the fragrance. Oh, it's so mild. Guys, it smells very flowery but very mild, okay? not too strong, and there's no color payoff. It's just like transparent. My lips feel super hydrated and it's amazing. I love this product already. It actually feels very luxurious on your lips. Okay, now I'm gonna try this lilac. Oh my god, this also has got a very mild fragrance, very mild scent to it. It smells of flowers, but I can't exactly tell you which one. But it's the scent is very, very pleasant for the tangerine one and the lilac one. But the pink one has got like a very strong, on your face, bubblegummy smell to it, fragrance. Definitely go for the lip oils too, because they are bomb. They're bomb. The lip oils also double thumbs up. I honestly love the collection, except for two products which I didn't like, the highlighter and the blur stick, because I thought that those didn't do much on my, didn't show up much on my skin. But the rest of the products are absolutely amazing. My top 3 products from this range, obviously you would have guessed it by now, the foundation, the blush, and the contour. Guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and found it helpful. I will be posting regular videos, guys. Come back to me, whoever left or whoever didn't subscribe, guys, subscribe back, because I am going to be back with many more videos. But I feel like every time I say that, it doesn't happen, so it kind of gets jinxed, so I'm not gonna say that. But yes, I'm definitely gonna show up, I promise to you guys. Obviously Christmas is coming up, so definitely more Christmassy looks coming up for you guys. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I am gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.